Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Audit with Deborah Jeremy. So basically today I'll be sharing like the site I use to learn about IT, the things happening in IT, and also get CPEs as a result of that. So if you go to your browser, type in www.infosecurity-magazine.com. As a new user, you need to like sign up. So you sign up using your first name, your last name, your company name, your country, email address, and then your password. But because I'm already an existing user on this site, so I just need to put my email and my password, and then I log into the account. So once you log in, you will see different tabs. So you see the news, the topics, the features, the webinars, white papers, podcasts, events and conferences, and directory. But for this video, we are interested in the webinars part because that's the part where you see like the videos you can watch for CPEs. So you can register for upcoming webinars. So like in this place, you can see a webinar coming up on the 12th of November, one coming up on the 5th of December, another one on the 19th of December. So you can register for that. And then if you scroll all the way down, you'll see on demand webinars. So these are like webinars they've had previously, and then the webinars have been recorded. So you can scroll all the way to anyone that interests you. You also see older ones, so you can go to the fifth one, see the ones, I think the fifth ones were done in 2023. So you can go as far back as 2023, 2022 to watch these on-demand webinars, and then you get CPE. So just make sure that if you are watching to get CPE, you watch the ones that were recorded for over 60 minutes. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends.